Good evening, students. I invite Arun sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Hello, students. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah,
Good evening,
students,
sir.
please- Yeah, very good evening, students. Please mute yourself. Let's begin the session. All right, students. ఈరోజు నిన్నటి కొన్ని క్వశ్చన్స్ లెఫ్ట్ అవుట్ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఎలక్ట్రోమాగ్నెటిజం అవి కంప్లీట్ చేసేసి లెట్స్ గో ఫర్ కార్బన్ కెమిస్ట్రీ. ఆల్రైట్, సో లెట్స్ గెట్ స్టార్టెడ్. Here's the question we left yesterday with. ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది 50 centimeters 50 meters తీసుకున్నారు. I would like you all to attempt again. So quickly use pen and paper. If a 50 centimeter long conductor is moving at a speed of 4 meters per second in a 3 Tesla inductive field, uniform field, then the induced EMF is uniform field ఉన్నప్పుడు we know what formula to use. Yeah, now I'm getting correct answers. All right. Yes, Ayvardhan, Shashak, Priya, Ruchita. Be careful, it's 50 centimeters, students, not 50 meters. So 0.5 meters, half meter. Yes, correct answers. All right, I'll go for the next one. Consistent answer. Everyone is giving me the correct answer. But students, under attempt cheyandi. Don't take it easy. Tappu pothe correct cheskondi, students. All right, let's go for the key. It's 6 volts. Absolutely right. There is one student who has gone wrong out of many. Please correct yourself. Adi one kaadu, students. 6 volts, 2. Right, let's go for the next one. Yeah, here it is. If the angle between conductor and magnetic field is 90 degrees, then the force on the conductor is ILB by root 2, ILB 0, ILB by 2. So which formula do you think you'll use? ILB sin theta, where theta is 90. Excellent. Yes, excellent. Riya, Saivardhan, Navneet, Shashank. Okay. When is it 0, Taruni? It is 0 when the current is in the direction of the magnetic field, or the velocity is in the direction of the magnetic field. In that case, it's 0. All right. So it's not 0 when the angle is 90 degrees. Okay, mixed response. Most of you are correct. Let me reveal the key. 2 is absolutely right, students. 3 kaadu. 0 epudu avutundi? Yes, Riya, that's absolutely right. It's 0 when the angle is 0 degrees. Absolutely right, Riya. Yeah, Tarun, you got it right this time. Good. Let's go ahead. Yeah, here I've got I is equal to I naught by root 2. Here in this equation, I naught represents current in AC generator, EMF in AC generator, DC generator, maximum current in AC generator, none. What is I naught? Okay. It's definitely current. It's not EMF. Okay, with the usual convention which we use, alphabets. All right. Priya, Abhiram, Sharon, Navneet. There are many more names. Akhilesh. Swapna, Navneet, they're all right. But there are students who have gone wrong. Okay. Okay, here's the key, students. It's maximum current with AC generator. All right. So I naught by root 2, where I is nothing but the RMS value. I naught is the maximum value. All right, let's go to the next one. Okay, here is a question. When is the field said to be uniform? Non-uniform, sorry. When the field is said to be non-uniform? When strength changes from point to point, direction changes from point to point, strength and direction changes from point to point, strength or direction changes from point to point. So that's what we were dealing with. Uniform field, equally spaced unali, direction same unali is uniform field. If they are not equally spaced, magnitude is changed. If direction is changed, anyway it's changed. So it should be strength or direction. I must have told the answer. Both necessarily may not change, students. A the opposite change uniform, non-uniform hypothetical field. Yes, 4 is absolutely right. Sharan, wait, Gayatri, Jyoti, Gayatri, Cyberthan. Names are scrolling. Meenakshi, Navneet, strength or direction changes. Yes, Riya, that's right. Pavani, Abhiram, Akhilesh. Good. Many names are right. Taruni is right. All right, let's look at the key. Yeah, Bhavani is right. Absolutely right, students. 4 is absolutely right. కొంతమంది 3 చెప్పారు. Strength and direction కాదు, strength or direction. Strength change అయినా, direction change అయినా, that's defined as non-uniform field. All right. If strength and direction is constant, then it's called uniform field. All right, here. Electric charges in motion produce magnetic force, magnetic flux, magnetic fields, magnetic flux density. Electric charges in motion. The current carrying wire produces what? So current carrying wire, okay? You get magnetic field around it, right? Circular loops for a long conductor. Yeah, now the options are right. Correct, good. Gayatri, Pranati, Gayatri, yeah, Navneet, Bhavani, Sharon. Agnivesh has a confusion, that's okay, but correct yourself after the key is released. All right. Pavani is right, but others, there are students who have gone wrong. There are more than 5 students who have gone wrong, students. Please correct yourself. It's magnetic fields. All right, charges in motion produce fields. All right, here. Ratio of magnetic flux passing through a plane perpendicular to the field and area of the plane is called magnetic flux, flux density, magnetic force, magnetic field. This is a very definition of magnetic flux density, right? So he's asking ratio of magnetic flux to the area of the plane perpendicular to the flux field. Yes, yeah, that's absolutely right. Sharon, Ria, not Sharon. I couldn't read the names. I mean, they're scrolling faster than I can read. Yeah, almost all are right. Gayatri, Jyoti, Pavni, Meenakshi, Agnivesh, Saivardhan, Akhilesh, Taruni, Navneet, Ria. Excellent. Right. It's magnetic flux density. That's a very definition of magnetic flux density, students. Flux per unit area, perpendicular to the magnetic field. If I've got an area, perpendicular to that, if there is a field, number of lines passing through this, the flux is a measure. Flux is a measure of number of lines cutting through this one, cutting through. All right, not grazing, cutting through per unit area. All right. F is equal to QVB holds well only when the direction of velocity of the charged particle is dashed to the direction of magnetic field. Parallel, perpendicular, curved, all. Curved and all don't make sense. Yes, absolutely right. Pranati, Gayatri, Ria, Saivardhan, Agnivesh, Pavani. There are students who have gone wrong. Shashank. Yeah. So what happens if it's parallel, students? If V is parallel to V, what's the force on it? Can you please write in the chat box? If V is parallel to B, if V is this way, V is also parallel to that. What is the force on the particle? If V is parallel to B, what is the force on the particle? Yes, Harshida, absolutely right. Shashank, right. Good, 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 good. Excellent. Pranati. All right. Malish, I didn't get your answer. All right, maybe you can elaborate. All right, let's look at the key. It's perpendicular, students. QVB holds when it's perpendicular. It's actually QVB sine theta, where theta is the angle between V bar or V vector and B vector, velocity and magnetic field. When theta is equal to 0, force is 0. That's what parallel means. When theta is 90, force is QVB sine 90. Sine 90 is 1. F is equal to QVB. All right, let's go for the next one. The induced EMF generated in a closed loop is equal to the rate of change of dash passing through it. Magnetic flux, magnetic field, magnetic force, magnetic induction. Yes, Malesh, Jerry, Ria. Ria. What is your answer, Ria? Magnetic field. Okay. Think again, Ria. All your answers till now were right, except this answer. Ria, I suggest you to think again. Monica, Agnivesh, Oho, Tarani, Gayatri, Saivardhan. All right, all right. Rate of change of? I'm waiting for the right answers. Also, I'm looking for the wrong answers. Wrong answers were also students. Which law is this? Which law is this? That EMF generated is in a closed loop is equal to rate of change of dash passing through it. I'll give you 5 more seconds, students. Excellent, Harshita. That's absolutely right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 seconds. I'll release the key. Yes, yeah, you are right now. Very good. Very good, Ria. You have changed your mind. You got it right. Very good. It's magnetic flux and it's Faraday's law. Excellent. Okay, let's look at the next one. According to Faraday's law, the maximum induced EMF generated in the coil is given by N delta phi by delta T, N delta phi, N delta T by N delta phi. Mathematical expression of Faraday's law. Just now we have seen the statement and this is a mathematical expression. Yes, Gayatri, Ria, Vaishmini. No, okay, there are wrong answers. Shashank is right, Harshita is right. All right. Students, చాలా మంది దీంట్లో తప్పు పోతున్నారు. Please correct yourself. I'm repeating, this is a mathematical statement of Faraday's law. నిన్న హైలైట్ కూడా చేశాం మనము. మీరు ఒకసారి రివైజ్ చేసుకోండి చాప్టర్ ని. This is n delta phi by delta t. It's actually delta phi by delta t, but n loops ఉంటే n into delta phi by delta t. Coil లో n loops ఉంటే n into delta phi by delta t. All right. Let's go for the next one. Please correct yourself, students. It's very important. Don't take it easy. Induced current is set up by an induced EMF. This phenomenon of getting induced current is called electromagnetic, electromagnetic flux, electromagnetic field, electromagnetic induction. First one doesn't make sense at all. Yes, Pranidhi, that's absolutely right. Think again, Malesh, think again. Gayatri is right, Amulya is right, Vaishali is right, Shashank is right, Gyaneshwar is right, Vaishwini is right. Yeah, Malesh, now you're right. Good. Yeah, there are many right answers, but there are wrong answers as well, students. That bothers me. Are you all correcting yourself? Please type yes in the chat box if you're correcting yourself. If you're not correcting, please type no in the chat box. Correct చేసుకుంటున్నారా తప్పు పోతే students who are going wrong, please correct yourself. Yes, good. Good. Students, ఒక attendance form వచ్చింది చూడండి. Please fill it. Okay, that's very important for us to conduct the sessions. అది help అవుతుంది. Please fill the attendance form. All right, let's go for the next one. All right, if you have completed, that's good. But those who haven't completed, please fill the attendance form. We'll again get to know the names who have not filled. So please, I request everyone to fill the form. Yes, it's electromagnetic induction, students. Absolutely right. 4 is absolutely right. The ones who have gone wrong, please correct yourself. Which of the following equation we use when the charge moves at an angle theta to the magnetic field? Then the force experienced by the charge is QVB, QVB sine theta, QB sine theta, QV sine theta. Yes, excellent. Consistent response. I'll go for the key. It's absolutely right. Consistent response. Almost everyone has gone right. But let me check. There is a student who has gone wrong. Yes, there is one student who has gone wrong, students. Please correct yourself. 4 Kadu. The second. 2. QBB sine theta. Yes, yeah, that's right. That's right. Absolutely right. All right, let's go for the next one. Which of the following is defined as the potential difference between the ends of the conductor is directly proportional to the electric current passing through it at a constant temperature? So which law is it? Is it Ohm's law, Kirchhoff's law, junction law, loop law? Okay, Veda, it's 11111. That's absolutely right. Agnivesh is right. Pranati is right. Malesh is right. Vaishwini is right. Riya is right. Gyaneshwar is right. Meenakshi is right. There are wrong answers also. Mini is right. Pranati, Navneet, Saivardhan, Gyaneshwar, Priya, Taruni, Shashank. Many ones. Okay, many ones. That's answer is absolutely 1. That's right. But there are students who've gone wrong. 4 kuda chepparu. It's not 4 students. Please correct yourself. If you don't correct yourself, that's really something to be bothered about. And direct your answers to Jet Arun students. All right, let's go for the next one. The answers Nagu Pampichan students. That's what I was wondering. There are few more students who are not answering. The magnetic field inside a dash is uniform. Current carrying conductor, solenoid, coil, magnet. Magnetic field in which of these is uniform? Inside which of these is uniform? A mixed response. Riya, think again. Galaxy is right. Geeta is right. Kumari, Gayatri, Sharan, Abhiram. You're all right. Priya, think again. All right. Hanish is right. Mini is right. Rajeshwari, okay. Pavani is right. Names are scrolling faster than I can read. So please pardon me, I cannot read all the names, but I'm looking for the wrong answers. Are we getting wrong answers? Yes, we are getting wrong answers. Students, long solenoid law, it's uniform inside. It's solenoid, definitely solenoid, but it's long solenoid. All right, long solenoid law, if you go very near to the center, it's uniform. ఈ డెరివేషన్ ఏమో మీకు ఇంటర్మీడియట్ లో ఉంటుంది. దట్స్ ఎ బ్యూటిఫుల్ మ్యాథమెటికల్ డెరివేషన్. దాని అప్లికేషన్స్ కూడా వచ్చాయి ఎగ్జామ్ లో, ఐటీజే ఎగ్జామ్ లో వచ్చింది. బట్ ఇట్స్ యూనిఫామ్ ఫర్ లాంగ్ solenoid. All right, let's go for the next one. Yeah, here the magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid carrying current is 0, decreases as we move towards its end, increases as we move towards its end, is same at all points. Long straight solenoid, students. Same question asked again in a different way. That's it. So you should get the right answer this time. ఇప్పుడే మనం చూసాము, ఇప్పుడే ఇంతకుముందు క్వశ్చన్ లో చూసాము ఇట్స్ యూనిఫామ్ ఉంటుందని. So he's asking, is it same at all points or is 0? Yes, Prati, that's absolutely right. Vivo, Malesh, yes, right. Bhavani, Gayatri, Amulya, Vaishmini, Geeta, think again. Just now we have talked about this one, not this question. See, magnetic field inside a solenoid is uniform. He's asking the same question in a different way. So magnetic field inside a long straight solenoid is what? Is it uniform? 0? Non-uniform? That's what he's asking. Yes, Ria, that's absolutely right. Geeta, I want you to think again and answer. I'm waiting for your answer, students. The ones who have gone wrong, please think again. Gayatri is right. Yes, you don't have to mention again and again. I've noted that you're right. I'm waiting for other answers. Students, చూడండి, సోలనాయిడ్ లో యూనిఫామ్ ఉందని చెప్పారు ఇంతకు ముందు క్వశ్చన్ లో. అంటే లోపల యూనిఫామ్ ఉంటుందని మాట కదా. ఇప్పుడు ఈ క్వశ్చన్ లో ఏమంటున్నారు, లాంగ్ సోలనాయిడ్ లో ఎలాంటి ఫీల్డ్ ఉంటుంది? 0 ఉంటుందా, యూనిఫామ్ ఉంటుందా, నాన్ యూనిఫామ్ ఉంటుందా? ఆప్షన్ 2 and 3 are non-uniform. Option 4 is uniform, same at all points. Option 1 is 0. కానీ ఇప్పుడే మనం చూసాము యూనిఫామ్ ఉంటుందని. ఇట్స్ నాన్ జీరో ఉంటుంది బట్ యూనిఫామ్ ఉంటుంది. ఎస్ గీత, యూఆర్ అబ్సల్యూట్లీ రైట్. నౌ ఇట్స్ యూనిఫామ్. యూనిఫామ్ అంటే ఏంటి? ఇట్స్ సేమ్ అట్ ఆల్ పాయింట్స్. సో ఫోర్త్ ఆప్షన్. ఐ హోప్ యూ ఆల్ గాట్ ఇట్. Did you all get it, students? Did you all get the point that both the questions are same? ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అర్థమైతే సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ ఈజీగా ఆన్సర్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. All right, good. All right, so many yeses. All right, let's go for the next one. Thank you. Thanks for interaction. I really appreciate, students, you're all interacting well. Whenever there is a continuous change of magnetic flux linked with the closed coil, a dash is generated in the coil. Charge, current, circuit, all. Circuit doesn't make sense at all. Charge, current. A dash is generated in the coil. Yes, I'm getting consistent response. You cannot generate charge, students. Its current is generated. Yes, that's absolutely right. Geeta is right. Gayatri is right. Vaishmi is right. Saivardhan is right. Amulya is right. Akhilesh is right. Veda, Abhiram. Yeah, excellent. Priya has changed the answer. Okay, that's okay. Good. Tarani, yeah. All right, let's go for the next one. Good. Be quick, students. Which of the following status, sorry, it's not status. Which of the following states that when you curl your right hand finger in the direction of the current, thumb gives the direction of the magnetic field? Faraday's law, right hand rule, left hand rule, all. Question లోనే ఉంది, right hand fingers అని చెప్పారు. So you are curling your right hand fingers along the current in the coil. Your thumb direction gives me the direction of the magnetic field at the center of the coil. So that is Right hand rule. Right hand thumb rule enti? If I align my direction with the thumb, align my thumb in the direction of the current, then my curled fingers give me direction of the magnetic field. That's right hand thumb rule for a long straight conductor. But this for a current carrying coil. Coil key we use right hand rule. For a long conductor we use right hand thumb rule. Alright, don't get confused. Thumb rule thumb nunchi naaku current magnetic field direction vastundi. Ikkada fingers curled unte naaku thumb direction nunchi magnetic field direction vastundi. It's converse. All right, let's go for the next one. It's right. Absolutely right. 2 is absolutely right, students. Good. Students, let's continue with chemistry now. Carbon and its compounds. All right. So, are you all ready for chemistry now? Okay. Good. Keep the energy high. That energy is being transmitted to me. Thank you. All right. Let's go for the first question. Very basic question, students. General formula of saturated hydrocarbons. Saturated hydrocarbons. CnH2n plus 2, CnH2n, CnH2n minus 2, CnHn. Yes. Okay, Gayatri has a confusion. That's okay. Good that you're not guessing. You have some confusion between two options. You are mentioning both the options. That's okay. I appreciate that. But correct yourself after I reveal the key. Okay. These saturated hydrocarbons ki answer icharu. But what if I ask you unsaturated hydrocarbons? Appudu answer enti? Unsaturated. I'm asking for unsaturated. Yeah, someone has given me the perfect answer. Yeah, correct. Good. Shashank, Rajeshwari, Harshita, Kumari, Riya. Good. So Sharon, there is one more option. There are two options for unsaturated. Abhinam, there are two options for unsaturated. Saturated ki option 1, unsaturated ki option 2 and 3. Right? For alkanes, saturated ki option 1. But for alkenes and alkynes, option 2 and option 3. Yes, thoroughly. Option 2 and 3 is for unsaturated. Good. You've got good clarity over the formula. Good. Excellent. Let's go for the next one. Yes, Riya, that's absolutely right. I didn't get your question, Vaishmini. That's okay, Abhiram, but you want to know now. Vaishmini, I didn't get your question. If you can put it more clearly, I can understand it. Naku ardham kaaledu mottam. All right, let's go for the next one. Uh-oh. General formula for alkynes. You already know, actually. So this question is a waste of time. There is a wrong answer. Alkynes, students. Alkynes. Alkenes kaadu. Navneet, it's not alkenes, it's alkynes. Okay, Vaishmini, I got it. See, 2 is for aim the question now. 2 is for alkenes, 3 is for alkynes. ఒకవేళ unsaturated hydrocarbons అడిగారు అనుకోండి, he will ask you alkynes or alkenes. ఇప్పుడు అడిగారు చూడండి, he asked for alkynes. Alkynes అడిగినప్పుడు then option is CnH2n minus 2. Alkenes అడిగినప్పుడు CnH2n. So depending on which unsaturated hydrocarbon he is asking. I got a question now. Did you get my answer? Vaishmini, did you get my answer? All right, good. Okay, let's go for the key. It's CnH2n minus 2. Alkynes is CnH2n minus 2, students. Good. Let's go for the next one. Now, which of the following is saturated hydrocarbon? ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఫార్ములా తెలిసింది. ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఫార్ములా దేనికి కరెక్ట్ గా సూట్ అవుతుంది చూసి మీరు చెప్పండి విచ్ ఇస్ సాచురేటెడ్ హైడ్రోకార్బన్, విచ్ ఇస్ అన్సాచురేటెడ్ హైడ్రోకార్బన్ అని. I want to pick out of these four, I want to pick saturated hydrocarbon. Okay, consistent response. Excellent. All are mentioning the same answer. There is one wrong answer. There is one wrong answer, students. Yes, guys, that's right. There is one wrong answer. I'm bothered about wrong answer, students. I really appreciate everyone for being right, for making an attempt, and for correcting yourself if you're going wrong. The appreciation is for these three things: for being right, for making an attempt, for correcting yourself when you go wrong. All right, that's very important. Two students have gone wrong, students. Okay, I'll reveal the key. It's 1, C2H6, CnH2n plus 2. 3 is CnH2n. 3 is alkene, not alkane. It's not saturated. All right, the ones who have gone wrong, please correct yourself. All right, let's go for the next one. Okay, same statement. I would like to read the statement. The compounds which have single bonds between carbon atoms are called saturated hydrocarbons. Among alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes, alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. The formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2. C2H6 is the one out of these four options. All right, let's go for the next one. Which of the following organic compounds undergo substitution reactions? Substitution reaction, students. Yes, Riya, that's absolutely right. Rajeshwari is right. Harshita is right. Pranati, Kumari, Shashank. Pranati has mentioned the whole answer as Riya done. Right, Navneet. Okay, all. Students, I want everyone to interact. That's okay if you go wrong. I'm telling you again, but don't take it easy. Okay, wrong పోతే పోనీ ఏమవుతుందని అలా అనుకోవద్దు, because we are now in a competitive zone. Excellent, Riya. What your knowledge is excellent. Alkanes and alkynes undergo something. All right. Yes. So substitution reactions are characteristics of alkanes. Alkenes and alkanes have double bonds and triple bonds. They undergo addition reaction, as Riya has mentioned. All right. So alkanes undergo substitution reaction, students. All right. All kado. Alkenes reactions are characteristic reactions are different from alkenes and alkynes, students. Option number 2 and 3, addition reactions. They undergo addition reaction, whereas option number 1, alkanes, undergo substitution reactions. All right. They are characteristically different, fundamentally different reaction, students. How many unpaired electrons the carbon atom possesses in the ground state? How many unpaired electrons? Okay, you please mention the option number, students. I'll get confused otherwise. Mention the option number. ఎందుకంటే 2, 3, 4, 1 అని ఉంది. Okay, Priya, you didn't receive the link, attendance link. Okay, 1 minute లో మళ్ళీ మీకు వస్తుంది link. Please fill the attendance form. ఎవరెవరికి లింక్ రాలేదు అంటున్నారు, please notice in the chat లో వచ్చేస్తుంది. Please fill the form. ఇప్పుడు వస్తుంది మీకు లింక్ మళ్ళీ వస్తుంది. Yes, it is there. Please fill the form. Those who haven't filled, please fill. Priya, you can fill it now. Most welcome, Priya. That's okay. Most welcome. All right. Let's look at the answer. It's 2, students. So 2 unpaired electrons are there in the carbon atom in the ground state. Let's go for the next one. Here is the electron configuration. Good. Yes, Harshita, that's right. So carbon atom ground state is 1s2, 2s2, 2p2, or 2px1, 2py1, 2p0. And that's represented like this with arrows, with spins. 2 unpaired electrons are present in the carbon ground state. All right, in the 2p orbital, you got 2 unpaired electrons. Let's go for the next one. The IUPAC name of this molecule is but3-ene, but1-ene, butine, butane. It is definitely not ane. It is definitely not ine. It's not an alkane because there's a double bond there. It is not an alkyne because there's a double bond there, not a triple bond. Okay, Ria is absolutely right. Consistently right. I really appreciate Ria. You're consistently right. Except one question you went wrong and then you corrected yourself there also. I really appreciate that. Yes, almost all students are going right in this session. Very good students, both in physics and chemistry. I really appreciate. Physical science చాలా బాగా చేస్తున్నారు. Good, good. Okay, okay. See, look at the number of carbon atoms you got. You got 4 carbon atoms. So it is but. That's for sure. Now I'll mark 1 to the functional group. It's but1-ene. It's not but3-ene, student. I will not mark 1 from this carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. Ekkada double bond undi, akkadi nunchi 1 mark chestanu. 1, 2, 3 mark chestanu. So I've got 4 carbon atoms. That's why it's but. And it's 1-ene because there is 1 double bond at the position of 1 first carbon atom. ఒకటే double bond ఉంది. ఇంకొక double bond ఉంటుంటే 1, 2 diene అవుతుంది అప్పుడు. Or something like that. And it is definitely not ine because there's no triple bond there. It's only a double bond. And it's not ane because there's అన్ని single bonds లేవు. ఒక double bond ఉంది. So it's not an ane. All right, let's go for the next one. Yeah, here it is. The numbering is like this. With double bond at C1 atom. Hence the IUPAC name is but1-ene or 1-butene. All right. Let's go for the next one. 2-methylpropane is also called as isopropane, N-butane, N-propane, isobutane. 2-methylpropane. Be careful, students. Structure draw చేసుకోండి ఒకసారి. 2-methylpropane ది structure draw చేసుకోండి. మరి పేరు రాయండి. Yes, yeah, that's absolutely right. Taruni has a confusion, that's okay. Confusion ఉన్న వాళ్ళు or తప్పుపోయిన వాళ్ళు కరెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. ఒకసారి స్ట్రక్చర్ డ్రా చేసుకోండి స్టూడెంట్స్. Okay. Okay, Saivardhan, that's okay. Let's look at the key. It's isobutane, students. 2-methylpropane ఎలా ఉంటుంది? You'll have a propane, longest chain as propane, and its second carbon atom, you'll have 1 methyl group. And it's called isobutane because there are 4 carbon atoms. It's an ane, butane, and at iso position, you've got a methyl group. Students ఇంకా ఫిల్ చేయలేదు అటెండెన్స్ ఫార్మ్స్ మీరు. There are many students who are supposed to fill. 21 students వచ్చారు. మళ్ళీ ఫామ్ పెట్టాము. Please fill it. It's a sincere request, students. Please do not ignore. Fill up చేయండి. It will take a minute. If you want, I'll give you a minute. I'll go to another question. I'll give you a minute for that. But please fill up the form. I want 100% attendance in the attendance form filling up, students. The ones who have filled, good. Saivardhan, if you have filled, that's good. But the ones who have not filled, please fill it. Do fill the form, students. స్టూడెంట్స్ మేము నోట్స్ చేసుకుంటున్నాము పేర్లు. మీరు నెక్స్ట్ 10 minutes లో ఒకవేళ చేయలేదంటే మీకు వెయిటింగ్ రూమ్ లో పెట్టేస్తాము. ఆల్రైట్, ప్లీజ్ కోఆపరేట్. నెక్స్ట్ 10 minutes లో ఫామ్ ఫిల్అప్ చేయకుంటే, ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ రిసీవ్ యువర్ నేమ్ ఇన్ ద ఫిల్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఫార్మ్స్, our team will put you in the waiting room. Let us avoid that, students. Let us not get into that. Let us avoid such things. Let us continue the session peacefully. All right. Let's go for the next one. Okay, IUPAC name of this molecule is 1-hydroxy 4-butanoic acid, 4-carboxyl, 1-butanol, 3-hydroxy 1-propanoic acid, 4-hydroxy 1-butanoic acid. Ishwant, you have a problem with the form? Ishwant, have you filled the form? I didn't get your point. Okay, mixed response. Okay, Vishwant, you have done it? Vishwant, okay. I was talking about Ishwant. Vishali completed, good. Harshita, that's absolutely right. I really appreciate. Okay, you've done it, Vaishnavi, good. Okay, I'm getting mixed response for this question, students. Okay, చూద్దాము. Excellent. Most of the students have gone right, but there are students who've gone wrong. Let us see how do we number this, number the functional groups, number the carbon atoms attached to the functional groups. Look at this. I give number 1 to the first carbon atom attached to the OH group, and all the OH group, alcoholic hydroxyl group, OH group, is given attached to the number 4. The 4 is given to the carbon atom which is attached to the OH group. I do not number it in the reverse order. No, that is decided by the reactivity, and there are certain rules for the IUPAC nomenclature. So we give number 1 for the COH group, priority, higher priority to the COH group, next priority to the OH group. So I give 1, 2, 3, 4 from right side. So I'll get 4-hydroxy and 1-butanoic acid. Why is it but? There are 4 carbon atoms. And why is it hydroxy? Because I've got a hydroxyl group at the 4th carbon atom. Students, 5 minutes are done. I hope you are filling up the form. All right, let's go for the next one. Which of the following is an unsaturated hydrocarbon? And the answer is also repeat. So I suggest you just read the key. I mean, not the key, but the solution. At least carbon atom, a hydrocarbon containing at least 1 carbon-carbon double bond or a triple bond is called an unsaturated hydrocarbon. So CnH2n and CnH2n minus 2. So first one is CH4, that is an alkane. C2H2, okay. C3H8, this is an alkene again. C2H6, it's an alkene again. So alkene is only one, which is option 2. Alkyne, sorry. Option 2 is alkyne. Yes, Pranati, that's absolutely right. Your knowledge is appreciable. Very good. Yes, so most of the students are right. Shashank, Vivo, yeah, good. But you have explanation open to the screen here. All right, let's go for the next one. Here, another nomenclature question. The IUPAC name of this molecule is it all butanol, butanal, butane, butene? It is definitely not ane and ene. Okay, quick response here. Good. It is definitely not 3 and 4 students. It is not ane or ene. Look at that. You've got CHO group there. An aldehyde. Yes, Harshita, Pranati, right. Uh-huh. It's not all. Okay, let's look at the key. It's al students. It's not all. It's not an alcohol. It's an aldehyde. So Al is for aldehyde. Suffix Al is for aldehyde, butanal. There are 4 carbon atoms with CHO group, so it's butanal. If there were an OH group, 4 CH carbon atoms, 4 CH, 4 C atoms, carbon atoms with OH group, you would have butanol, alcohol. But it's an aldehyde. It's 2. All right. It's definitely not 4 and 3 and 4. It's not a butane or butene, no double bond there. And you have an aldehyde group there. Let's go for the next one. Successive compounds in a homologous series possess a difference of CH unit, CH2 unit, CH3 unit, C2H2 unit. Homologous series. Yeah, I appreciate the effort you're putting. All right, typing the whole answer, but you could also do with the option number, but that's okay. I appreciate it. That's more interactive. That's okay. Good. Huh? Yes. Consistent response, but there is a wrong answer as well. There are wrong answer, students. That what bothers me. Most of you are right, but what bothers me is a wrong answer. That's what bothers me. All right, let's look at the key. Yes, 2 is absolutely right. 1 is not right, students. It's not CH, it's CH2. One unit of homologous series, successive compounds of the homologous series have a possessive difference of CH2 unit. All right, let's go for the next one. Electronic configuration of carbon atom in excited state is. Carefully go through the electronic configuration. In an excited state, he says. Okay. Mm-hmm. All right, all right. Let's go with the key. Yeah, most of you are right, but there are wrong answers. So I would like to reveal the key. Yes, it's 1s2. The electron in 1s2, 2s, the electron in 2s2 excites and jumps to 2pz1. All right. In ground state, we have seen 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz0. But in excited state, you get 2s1, 2px1, 2py1, 2pz1. Right? Yes, 2 is absolutely right, students. Good. The ones who had got confusion, I hope it's clear now and you remember this. Which of the following molecule undergoes sp hybridization? CH4, C2H4, C2H6, C2H4. sp hybridization, sorry, not sp2, sp hybridization. Answer. Good, great. Okay, so students, 10 minutes are done. I hope everyone has filled the form. If you haven't filled the form, please make it as soon as you possibly can without any further ado. ఓకే, అందరు ఫామ్ ఫిల్అప్ చేసేసారనుకుంటున్నాను. ఓకే, గుడ్. The ones who have filled, Ganesh are good, but the ones who haven't filled, our team will make a note of students who haven't filled and put them in the waiting room. So avoid that, students. Right, let's look at the key. It's 4. Ethene, sorry. Okay, Gayatri, is it clear? You had a confusion. C2H6 is an alkane. Alkane has got sp3 hybridization. Students, inka 7 students unnaru, inka fill up cheyaledu. I'll give you another minute. Please fill up the form. 7 students inka unnaru, students. We have sent the link again. Do fill up the form within a minute. See, this is what, if you don't please cooperate, we are wasting our time. I'll go for the next one. The alkane which can show isomerism is butane, ethane, methane, propane, which can show isomerism. Okay, butane, ethane, methane, propane. Methane is definitely ruled out. Ethane ruled out. Okay. Yes, almost all are giving the right answer, but there are wrong answers as well. Yeah, Monica, Pranati, Gayat, no. Yeah, please interact. Please interact. Please. Yes, Ria, that's right. Ria, that's right. Yeah, but I want everyone to answer, students. తప్పు పోయినా okay. Answer చేయండి. తప్పు పోతే correct చేసుకోండి. That's okay. That's absolutely fine. But what is important is that you learn today. The whole idea behind the practice session is you attempt, commit a mistake, learn from the mistake. But do not sit and do not let those questions unattempted. All right, let's look at the key, students. It's option 1, butane. All right, butane can show isomerism, students. Long chain రావచ్చు or branch రావచ్చు. Right. All right, let's go to the next one. Here, the name of the structure, this molecule is butene, buta-1,2-diene, butadiene, 1,3-butadiene. It is definitely diene. So first one is ruled out. It's not butene. ఎందుకంటే 2 double bonds ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి. డైన్ లో మీరు డిసైడ్ చేయాలి 1,3-diene 1,2-diene లేకపోతే జస్ట్ బ్యూటాడైన్. Okay. Okay, good, Saivardhan. If you have completed filling up the form, that's good. Let me check with the team if there is anyone else left. Yes, yeah, that's absolutely right. Agnivesh, you haven't filled the form. Agnivesh, are you there? Okay, Sandhya, you have got a problem opening the link. Okay. Sandhya has got a problem opening the link. So, is there anything we can do? Sandhya has got a problem opening the link. Then do one thing, Sandhya. You send your details to 96422 All right, Sandhya. Yeah, do that as soon as you possibly can. So, our team will take care of it. You just send your details. Do it right away. Agnivesh, yes, 2 is absolutely right, students. Chalamandi 2 chepparu, but there were students who were told 1. 1 is ruled out, students. Adi in kaadu. There are 2 double bonds. Right, so it's definitely diene. But the position of the double bonds is what is important. Is it 1, 2, 1, 3 or 3, 4? All right. We start numbering from the functional group present. So from right side, 1, 2, 3, 4 mentioned just at position 1, I've got a double bond. At position 2, I've got a double bond. So buta 1, 2 diene. Why is it but? Because there are 4 carbon atoms. So buta 1, 2 diene. Buta 1, 2 diene. All right, let's go for the next one. The functional group in aldehyde is aldehyde functional group, students. Oh, my bad. I released the key. But it's pretty simple one. Yes, consistent response, good. I'll go for the next one. Okay, here's a statement. Functional group in which carbon is attached to oxygen, where double bond is known as carbonyl group. In aldehydes, carbonyl group is linked to the hydrogen and an alkyl group, with an exception of formaldehyde, where you have got HCHO. The functional group in aldehyde is CHO. RCHO is R is alkyl group, and CHO. Students, we have again waiting room లో కొంతమంది ఉన్నారు ఇప్పుడు అక్కడ participants form పంపించాము, please fill form. All right, there are Agnivesh, I don't know why he's not responding. All right, let's go to the next one. The functional group in ketone is తొందరగా చెప్పండి students. Just I'll just give you 5 seconds. Yes, consistent response. Good. I'll go for the next one. Yes, 1. RC double bond to R is a ketone. Sure, Vishwant, we can do that. You do one thing, you send the same query, Vishwant. I'm talking to you. You send the same query to 96422152226. I will make a note of it, but if you send it to that, our team will take care of it. All right, send it right now. Send the same query to send the same message to 96422152226. All right, send it right now, Vishwant. All right. Type yes in the chat box after you send it. If you have sent it, type send in the chat box. All right, let's go for the next one. Rohini, you want the form to be resent? Rohini, okay, we'll send the form, attendance form just in a minute. Here's the next question. You will get the form in a minute, Rohini. The process of conversion of starches and sugars to ethyl alcohol is called as esterification, saponification, dehydration, fermentation. Consistent response, but there is a wrong answer. Rohini, you will get the link in a minute. Please fill up the form. Here's the link, Rohini. All right, it's fermentation, students. 4 is absolutely right. All right, let's go to the next one. The product formed in the reaction of a carboxylic acid and an alcohol in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 is an aldehyde ether alcohol ester. Oh, wow. Absolutely right answer. Monica, Pavni, Vaishnavi, Vaishwini, Navneet, Saivardhan, not Navneet, Anish. Shashank, there are 3 students who have gone wrong, 4 students who have gone wrong. Make an attempt, students, under attempt cheyandi. All right, I'll go for the next one. It's ester, students. No, it's ester. It's not one aldehyde, it's ester. All right, let's go for the next one. Which of the following is a saturated hydrocarbon? Cyclopropene, propene, propyne, propane. Saturated hydrocarbon, students. Excellent, Riya. Yes, Rajeshwari, Vaishnavi, excellent, Shashank. Galaxy, Saivardhan. Ine is for alkene and alkyne, right? So 1, 2, and 3 have got ene or ine. So only possibility is ane. 4. All right, that's right. 4 is absolutely right, students. Good. Okay, here is the next one. CC bond in ethylene is formed by the overlapping of sp2s orbitals, sp orbitals, sp2 orbitals, sp2 orbitals. CC bond in ethylene students. Okay. 4, this is 4. Priya says 2. All right. Cyberton says 2. All right. Here's the key, students. sp2 orbitals. Students, let us now continue with English. I request Gayatri ma'am to take over. Gayatri ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Very good evening, students. Hope you all are doing very well. Just a minute, let me share the screen. Yes, students. So today we'll start with the improvement of sentences. All right. So like yesterday, we have another set of very interesting grammar related improvement of sentences. So see, let's do the first one. Lot of water has overflowed the tank. All right. So the highlighted words, that is lot of water, should be replaced by any one from the 4 options. All right. Is it lot of waters? or is it a lot of water, or is it a lot of waters, or no improvement is required? All right, so being the first one, let's do it for you. It is a lot of water. All right, students? Yes, fine. Let's do the second one. The speech he gave was highly informative. So the highlighted one here is gave. So this gave, the word gave, has to be replaced by, should it be replaced by deliver or made or give or no improvement is required? Is it clear? Yes, let's quickly think over it. Put your answers in the chat box. Let's see how many are giving me your answers. Yes, very good evening, Ma. Very good evening. All right, yes, many are giving me the option as, many are giving me the option as B. Yes, perfect, right. All right, let's see, it is option B. All right, so the speech he made was highly informative. All right, perfect, excellent. Right, so let's move on to the third one. She is tall as me. So the word highlighted tall as me should be replaced by, is it as tall as I am, or is it tall like, or is it tall like me, or is it tall as I am? Yes, very simple in fact. So the usual routine conversation goes on with this. Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. All right. Yes. Navneet, you're right. Perfect. Noria, check your answer. There is no option at all, isn't it? Okay. Yes, Ria, you're right. Swapna, check your answer. Gayatri, you are right. Geeta, you're right. All right. So many more are giving me the right answer. Yes. It is as tall as I am. So she is as tall as I am. All right. Let's move on to the next question. Even though she was disliked by her in-laws at the beginning of her marriage, she did manage to win their hearts. All right. So the highlighted word win there, should it be replaced by win over there, or win over there, or win them over there, or no improvement is required? So I feel it's perfect. Anyway, think over it and give me your answer, students. Let me check the chat box. Vaishali, check your answer. Sai Vardhan, check your answer. Now, Sai Vardhan, you're right. Vaishmini, you're right. All right. Right. So no improvement is required. That's the option B. All right. Yes. Let's move on to the next question. Every person was not fitted for everything. So was not fitted for has to be replaced by four options. Is it was not fitted, or no improvement, or is not fit at, or is not fit for? All right. It's very simple. Quickly think over it and give me your answer. Let's see. Sai Vardhan, Swapna, Akhilesh. How about others? All right. Akhilesh, Reddy, Shashank, Navaneet, Gayatri. Gayatri, you're right. Almost all are giving me the answer. Let's see. It is option 4. Is not fit for. Every person is not fit for everything. All right. Let's move on to the next question. How long I shall stay is doubtful. Right. So this I shall stay should be replaced by any one among the four options. I can stay, I will stay, I want to stay, no improvement. All right, so I don't think any changes has to be done. Anyway, think over it and then give me your answer, students. Let's see the Chat box. Akhilesh, Shashank, Priya. Yes, how about others? Navneet, Vaishmini, you're right. Okay, Sandhya, you're right. How about others? No, Geeta. Check your answer. All right, let's see. Let's see the answer. It is exactly perfect. So how long I shall stay is doubtful. So no changes has to be done. All right, see the next question. The doctor scribbled his prescription, which I could not make out. Right? So make out should be replaced by, should it make up or make for or make over? So even here, I feel everything is clear. Let's see. Just think over it, read the sentence again, students, and then come out with the correct answer. Is it option A, B, C, or D? All right, let's see. Vishwant, check your answer. Sai Vardhan, check your answer. Varun Tej. Yes, now Sai Vardhan, you're right. Shashank, you're right. Varun Tej, you're right. Yes. So almost all are giving me the right answer. It is option A, no improvement. So the doctor scribbled his prescription, which I could not make out. All right, yes. See the next question. Neither parties deserves our help. Yes. Neither parties deserves, can both be plural? Let's see. So option A, parties deserve. Is it parties deserved or no improvement or party deserves? Let's see. Choose the correct answer, students. Read the sentence. Whatever you have chosen, whether it is A, B, C, or D, put that in the sentence and read it out and see. And then, then you will definitely be able to make out whether the answer is right or not. Then give your answers in the chat box. Let's see. Almost everybody has given me the option. All right. Almost all. Sandhya, you're right. All right, students, I want everybody to participate. So participative management is always good, isn't it? Even English carries equal marks. So don't neglect or ignore English. All right? Yes. Let's see, the correct answer is party deserves. All right, so neither party deserves our help. All right, see the next question. Even at the peak of her success, Kalpana Chawla did not forget her home or her duty towards other human. This is evident from the fact that she distributed education of girls in India. Is it right? She distributed education of girls. So should it be replaced by she contributed girls for education, or she contributed to the education of girls, or she contributed to education of girls, or no improvement is required? Yes. So slightly, very slightly tricky. So you just have to read properly and then give me the right answer. All right, let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Let's see. Vishwant, Varun Tej, Vaishnavi, Gayatri, is almost all are giving me the right answer. Perfect. So almost all. It is option B. She contributed to the education of girls. Right. Perfect. See the 10th one. After months of aggressive planning, the former president brandished his business success and first term in office. Right? So this is as a proofs of competence. So is it right? As a proofs of competence or as a proof of competence or as proof of competence or as proofs of competence, or it is absolutely right, no improvement is required? Yes. So select your options. Put it in the chat box. Let's see how many. Yes, Sai Vardhan, you're right. Perfect. How about others? Yes, Vaishmini, check your answer. Yes, students, I want everybody to give me your answer. Don't take too much of time because these things does not require more than 30 seconds. So maximum 30 seconds is enough. All right, so let's see the key. The answer is option B as proof of competence. All right. So excellent to those who have given me the right answer. So please read over the sentence again and again before you could give me your answers. All right. See the next question. The company released a statement on Saturday paying tribute to its founder, praising his philanthropic efforts and his vision to healthcare. Is it vision for healthcare, or vision on healthcare, or vision at healthcare, or no improvement is required? Yes, the answer is already highlighted. It is vision for healthcare. All right, let's move on to the next question. Chinese couples were married at a ceremony in Colombo to mark the anniversary of diplomatic relations between the two countries. Is it right? Or it should be diplomatic relations among the two countries, or it should be diplomatic relations between the two countries, or is it diplomacy relations between each other, or no improvement is required? Very simple. The thing is, you just have to read the sentence, all the options which should suit this highlighted sentence. Definitely you'll be able to give me the answer. All right, let's see how many are giving me the answer. Okay, let me check the chat box. Yes, Sai Vardhan, you're right. Gayatri, check your answer. Akhilesh. All right. Yes, Vaishnavi, Vishwan. All right. Almost many are giving me the answer. Let's see. The correct answer is option B. It is diplomatic relations between the two countries. All right. Yes. Good to those who have given me the right answer. See the next question. Asking people to identify themselves with their religion and casteism. Rather than being secular, he said the constitution too would change. So is it religion and casteism, or is it religion and caste, or is it religion and casting, or is it religion and caste, or no improvement is required? So simple again. Quickly think over it and give me your answer in the chat box. I'm just viewing the chat box. Yes, Vaishmani, you're right. Varun, please check your answer. Swapna, Gayatri, you're right. All right. So almost all are giving me the right answer. Let's see. The correct answer is option A. Perfect. Religion and caste. All right. See the next question. The surprise about the India oath was not because it fell out of line with the country's foreign policy as we know. So should the highlighted sentence, the surprise about the India oaths, or the highlighted words should be replaced by the surprise in the Indian oathing, or the surprise over the Indian oath, or is it the surprise on the Indian oathing, or no improvement is required? All right. So since we are going out of time, let me give you the answer. It is the surprise over the Indian oath. All right. See the next question. Supporters of the leading power doctrine often argue rightly that India must be more forthright and articulate in expression its position on issues. Is it expressing its position, or is it express its position, or is it expressed its position, or no improvement is required? All right. So this is simple. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Okay, okay. Yes, almost all are giving me the answer. Gayatri, you're right, and many more are are making mistakes still. It is expressing and articulate in expressing its position on issues. All right. Yes. See the next question. I like him. So you have to change the voice from active to passive. All right. So is it he was liked by me, or he is being liked by me, or he was being liked by me, or he is liked by me? Very simple. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Let me scroll down and see. Yes. One student has given me all options. A, B, C, D, E. Yes, Ria, you're right. Yes. Now I'm getting the right answers. It is option D. He is liked by me. All right. See the next question. Alexander expected to conquer the world. So 4 options. It was expected by Alexander that he should conquer the world, or it was expected by Alexander that he would conquer the world, or it was expected by Alexander that he will conquer the world, or it had been expected by Alexander that he would conquer the world. Is it option A, B, C, or D? Quickly give me your answer in the chat box so that we'll try to finish it. Still more is there. Ramcharan, check your answer. How about others? Students, be swift enough in giving me your answer. Almost all are typing now. I mean, almost all are giving me your answers now. Yes, many have chosen B. It was expected by Alexander that he would conquer the world. All right, good. See the next question. She begins her day with a cup of coffee. So which is the correct answer? You have to change from active to passive. So option A, her day is being begun with a cup of coffee, or her day is begun with a cup of coffee, or a cup of coffee is beginning her day, or a cup of coffee has begun her day. Yes. So quickly give me your answer. Let's see how many are giving me the correct answer. All right. Shashank, Akhilesh Reddy. Right. These are Sai Vardhan. Okay. Nandini Ramcharan. Almost all are giving me the answers. The correct answer is option B. Her day is begin with a cup of coffee. All right. See the next question. Cocoa is bitter when it is tasted. All right. So is it cocoa is better or cocoa tastes better? This is from passive to active. Or is it cocoa's taste is bitter or cocoa tasted bitter? Option A, B, C, or D. Let's see how many are giving me the correct answer. Yes, quickly give me your answers. Gayatri, you're right. Vishwant, you're right. Yes. Priya, you're right. Yes, almost all are giving me the right answers. The answers are still coming. It is option B, the right one, which many of you have chosen. Cocoa tastes bitter. All right, see the next question. A great man acknowledged me as a flatter to him. So 4 options. I was acknowledged by a great man to be flatter. I was acknowledged by a great man to have been a flatter. I am acknowledged as a flatterer by a great man. I was acknowledged as a flatterer to a great man. Choose the correct answer. Is it option A, B, C, or D? Let's see who's going to give me the right answer. Yes, Vishwant, you're right. Harsha, you're right. All right. So Sharan, you're right. Yes, almost all are giving me the right answer. Yes, perfect. It is option C. I am acknowledged as a flatterer by a great man. All right, let's move on to the next question. Let us help him. So, from active to passive, is it option A, let him help us? Let he is helped, let he be helped, or let him be helped by us? Very simple. I don't think you need to think over this to give me the answer. Right, let's see how many are giving me the right option. Vaishmini, Sai Vardhan. Yes. Shashank, you're right. Nandini, you're right. Yes, almost all are giving me the right answer. It is let him be helped by us. Perfect. See the next question. Can those happy moments be ever forgotten by me? So, is it the first option? Can I ever forget those happy moments? Or is it option 2? Can I ever forget those happy moments? Or will I ever forget those happy moments? Or could I ever forget those happy moments? All right. So let's do the answer for this. It is option 4. Could I ever forget those happy moments? Right. See the next question. You have to do this immediately. Right. So active to passive. So what is the correct option? Is it option A? This has been done by you immediately, or this is being done by you immediately, or this was being done by you immediately, or this has to be done by you immediately. It's very simple, isn't it? Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Guess Harsha, Vishwant, Ramcharan, Gayatri, Vaishmini. Yes, almost all have attempted in giving me the answer, and it is right, option 4. This has to be done by you immediately. All right, see the next question. The laborers were digging a canal. So 4 options. A canal is being digged by the laborers. A canal was dug by the laborers. A canal was being dug by the laborers. Or a canal has been dug by the laborers. All right, so let's see the answer for this. A canal was being dug by the laborers. See the next question. The watchman switched on the lights before it began to grow dark. All right. So 4 options. The lights were only switched on before it began to grow dark. The lights are being switched on before it began to grow dark. The lights were being switched on by the grow dark. Or the lights were switched on by the watchman before it began to grow dark. All right, simple, isn't it? So I'm sure many of you would have chosen the right answer. Yeah, you're right. How about others? Oh my God, almost all are giving me the answer. The names are literally running. Let's see. Yes, so the correct answer is option D. The lights were switched on by the watchman before it began to grow dark. All right, see the next question. Where do you keep the current magazines? So 4 options. So is it where were the current magazines kept? Where have the current magazines been kept? Where are the current magazines being kept? Or where are the current magazines kept by you? So 4 options. Give the right answer. Read it, choose, and then give me the correct option. Yes, Geeta Devi, you're right. Sharan, you're right. How about others? Harsha, Shashank, Gayatri, Veda. Yes, almost all are giving me the right answer. So I don't think there's any necessity of reading your names. It is option D. Where are the current magazines kept by you? All right, see the next question. She will be rewarded for her kind deed. So 4 option, her kind deed will reward her. Her kind deed will have rewarded her. Her kind deed will be her reward. Her kind deed will have been her reward. Yes, so let's see anybody giving me the right answer. Riya, check your answer. Sai Vardhan, check your answer. Yes, Akhilesh, Veda, Vaishali. All right, many have given me the answer. It is option A. Her kind deed will reward her. Yes, see the next question. God gives us happiness. So, first option, happiness is given by God. Happiness is being given to us by God. Happiness has been given by God. Happiness will be given by God. So, The correct answer should be option A. Happiness is given by God. See the next question. The gardener ought to water the plants daily. So first option, the plants have been watered daily by the gardener. The plants ought to water daily by the gardener. The plants are ought to water daily by the gardener, or the plants ought to be watered daily by the gardener. Let's see who's giving me the correct answer. I'm just checking the chat box. Akhilesh, you're right. Okay, Nandini, you have given me your answer. Sai Vardhan. Priya, you're right. Gayatri, Akhilesh Reddy, yes, Veda. Almost all, Vaishmini, Harsha, Sai Vardhan, almost all have given me the answer. Yes, perfect. It is option B. The plants ought to be watered daily by the gardener. All right, see the next question. Jatin can help Gurdeep, right? So, which among the four is right? Gurdeep can be helped by Jatin. Gurdeep could be helped by Jatin. Gurdeep can be helped by Jatin, or Gurdeep could be helped by Jatin. So give me your answer. Put your answers in the chat box. Okay, Vaishmini, Vishwant, Gayatri. Vaishmini, Gayatri, Swapna. Yes, fine, fine, fine. The correct answer is option 1. Gurdeep can be helped by Jatinder. Yes, option B and option D are same. So either, anyway, both the options are not right, but here this is repeated. All right, see the next question. Ramesh dash into his own trap. Is it Ramesh falling, or Ramesh was fell, or is it Ramesh fell, or Ramesh fall down? All right, let's see the correct answer. It is Ramesh fell into his own trap. So Ramesh fell into his own trap. See the next question. India is the second most populous country dash the 7th largest country by area in the world. So what could be the right answer? It is and. India is the second most populous country and the 7th largest. All right, see the next question. Dash worst is yet to come. Is it the worst is yet to come, or an worst is yet to come, or a worst is yet to come, or none? Right, so let's see how many are giving me the right answer. So, yes, Shashank. Sai Vardhan, you're right. Gayatri, you're right. Swapna, check your answer. Yes, it is. The worst is yet to come. All right. Yes, see the next question. Corruption is an evil, generally more dash in the underdeveloped and developing countries of the world. Yes. So let's quickly see the answer. It is rampant. All right. Yes. See the next question. She dash recovering in the hospital. Is it she where, or she where to, or she has been recovering? Yes. So the answer is very crystal clear. Let's see how many are going to give me the right answer. Okay. Okay. Harsha, Teja, Gayatri, Priya. Priya, you're right. All right. Many more are giving me the answers now. It is option 4. She has been recovering in the hospital. See the next question. Our honor and dignity lies in practicing truthfulness and in not being guided by dash. Is it brotherhood, motherhood, falsehood, or monkhood? Okay. Let's see how many are giving me the right answer. Okay. A, B, C, D. Vishwan, what is that A, B, C, D? Yes, it is option C, falsehood. Many are giving me your right answer now. Yes, it is falsehood. Perfect. See the next question. The dog runs dash the street. Is it off the street, with the street, to the street, or about the street? It is about the street. See the next one. We must join hands and stop corruption, which is posing dash in the development of India. So, which is posing hindrance in the development of India. Hindrance means what? Some disturbance. Okay. All right. See the next one. I am tired dash this Chandler. Is it with this Chandler, or over this Chandler, or of this Chandler, or is it for this Chandler? All right. So this also will see the answer. It's very simple. I'm tired of this Chandler. See the next question. The main use of friendship is that it dash man to express his feelings and emotions. All right. This should be simple, isn't it, students? Quickly give me your answer. Yes, Harsha, you're right. Yes, now many more are giving me the right answer. It is one. Option A, enables. All right, see the next question. He was sorry, dash, her loss. Is it he was sorry about her loss, or he was sorry for her loss? He was sorry at the loss. He was sorry from the loss. So let's quickly see the answer. It is he was sorry for the loss. See the next question. The velocity of an object is the rate of change of its position dash respect to a frame of reference. Is it by, of, or with? Let's see the answer. It is with respect to a frame of reference. All right. See the next question. The path runs dash forests and mountains. So is it in, on, to, or towards? Right, so let's see how many have opted yes. Ria, you're right. Sai Vardhan, check your answer. Yes. Okay. All right. Right. Let's see the answer. It is towards. So the path runs towards towards forests and mountains. All right, students. Thank you so much for your great answers. So I request you all to practice English every day. And over to Arun, sir.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, students, hello again. Students, మీరు పబ్లిక్ స్పీకింగ్ కోర్స్ గురించి చూసారా? హ్యావ్ యూ ఎంక్వైర్డ్? యూ వాట్సాప్ టు ది నంబర్? జాయిన్ చేశారా మీరు? పబ్లిక్ సమ్మర్ క్యాంప్ ఉంది పబ్లిక్ స్పీకింగ్ కోర్స్ మీద, స్పోకెన్ ఇంగ్లీష్ అండ్ పబ్లిక్ స్పీకింగ్ కోర్స్ చేశారా? జాయిన్ చేశారా మీరు? Are you all interested in it? Students, you will have fun, you will learn a lot, you will have interaction, you will have practice sessions, you will have tests. That's really good opportunity to learn and improve your skills, students. Type yes or no in the chat box. Students, మీకు మంచి ఇంగ్లీష్ లో మాట్లాడి మంచి కమ్యూనికేట్ చేయడం అని ఉంటుంది కదా అందరికి, మీకు లేదా అన్న? యూ వాంట్ టు స్పీక్ గుడ్ ఇంగ్లీష్? యూ ఆల్ వాంట్ టు కమ్యూనికేట్ వెల్, రైట్? నో వన్ వాంట్స్ టు బి లెఫ్ట్ బిహైండ్. అందరూ నేను మంచిగా మాట్లాడాలి, నేను మాట్లాడితే అందరు వినాలి అలా అనుకుంటారు కదా. అలా ఉంటే మీరు డెఫినెట్లీ జాయిన్ కావండి స్టూడెంట్స్. ఇట్స్ రియలీ గుడ్. దట్ విల్ మేక్ యూ బెటర్ స్పీకర్, బెటర్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్, బెటర్ కమ్యూనికేటర్. మీరు థింక్ బాగా చేస్తున్నారు, మీ సబ్జెక్ట్ నాలెడ్జ్ బాగుంది, నేను చూస్తున్నాను. బట్ మీరు కమ్యూనికేట్ చేస్తే ఇంకా బాగుంటుంది. ఆల్ రైట్, దోస్ ఇంట్రెస్టెడ్ ప్లీజ్ అప్లై. No, you will have convenient time, Ria. Don't worry about college timings. For timing convenient పెడతాము, so that you can attend either in the evening session or you'll have a convenient timings itself. It's only in the May, you not have college that time. Timings కూడా convenient timings ఉంటాయి. All right, and students, next thing is about Polycet. Polycet, you still have time to apply. Those who haven't applied, please apply. 28th is the last date. Apply చేయండి. డోంట్ లూజ్ ద ఆపర్చునిటీ. కొంతమంది టీఎస్ఆర్ చేసి కూడా రాయలేదంట, అలా చేయకూడదు. more exams you write, the better confidence you'll develop. అది బాగుంటుంది, ఎగ్జామ్స్ రాస్తేనే బాగుంటుంది, ఆపర్చునిటీస్ చేతిలో ఉంటాయి. Those who haven't applied, please do apply. Vishwan, please put the query in the WhatsApp number. I didn't get your query actually. Those who didn't apply, please apply. We still have time. 28th of this month is the last date. Apply చేయండి. You will have opportunities in hand. That's very important, students. You're not realizing. Those who haven't applied, you're not realizing opportunities చేతిలో ఉండాలి. Choosing should be later. And also fill the attendance form. If you haven't filled the attendance form, please fill the attendance form. You have a minute. Do fill up the attendance form. All right. And also don't miss the summer camp opportunity, students. That's really good. I can ensure that you'll have fun, practice, tests, betterment. You will definitely improve. No matter how good you are, you'll definitely improve. మీరు ఎంత మంచి మాట్లాడితే కూడా ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ ఖచ్చితంగా ఉంటుంది. All right. See you tomorrow at the same time, students. Join at 7:25. Good luck.